Welcome to today's video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Genshin impact keep stopping on your mobile phone. If you have this issue, I'm going to show you how to fix it easy and quick. Let's start. First, open the settings of your device. Come directly, click on apps option. Here you will find all the application that you have on your mobile phone. Search for Genshin Impact and click. Here you will find this list. Go click on storage. Here be careful, click just on clear cache. Don't click on clear data. And back now, click on battery, click on optimized mode. After these steps, also don't forget to click force stop here and click OK. Now go to Play Store or App Store and update your Genshin Impact. Restart your device right now, and that's all. If this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next.